How to remove default clothes in Roblox Avatar. So from the home page, you can do this also on the phone. You go to Avatar, and this is going to be your avatar editing screen where you can wear or remove certain clothing parts. And it's actually pretty straightforward. As you can see, when you enable some kind of clothing parts or maybe some accessories, you will have a icon like this, the checkmark icon, that will pretty much tell you, okay, this item is worn, it's enabled now. And you just go ahead and click it and remove it like this. So when you have these default items, you just can scroll recent, or you can just go to clothing or accessories, find something that you wish to remove. Well, in our case, it's a default clothes. And once again, you go click like that and just unwear a certain clothing part that you wish to remove, like this, bam. And also, if, for example, you wish to remove some kind of hair or something, you can actually replace it with a different item. So instead of wearing something that's default, you can just, for example, wear Casey's hair. I don't think it's default to my character, so instead of that usual default hair, you'll be wearing something else. And by this, you're removing the default one and replacing it with something else. And these are the two easy ways. That's it, guys. If this helps, leave a comment. Also, make sure to subscribe and like the video, and I'll see you soon.